Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Mastercrafts. Today, I've got another lifelike design, which may be a little bit more on the complex side, but we'll work through it. It's the origami elephant, and let's get right into folding it. Now I'm using a square piece of paper, use whatever you like, and just make it into a square. Now what we're going to do is take this top left corner, bring it down to the bottom right, then crease, open up, take the top right corner, bring it down to the bottom left, I'm using a ruler to help me crease. You can always use whatever you like. Now open up. Now what we're going to do is take this corner and we're going to match this edge with this line right here. Let's fold over. Line it up to the center nicely. Increase. Same thing, taking this top edge, bring it to the center. Increase. Now flip over. And now we're going to fold this point back until you see the line on the back. Then crease, open up, flip over, and now we'll bring this side and this corner to that point. Making sure these edges line up, then crease, open up, do the same thing, take this corner, bring it over here, making sure edges line up, and then crease, open up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to fold along this line inward, just push down, and then we'll squash this down as well and crease. So we should end up with something like this. And now what we're going to do is take this corner, bring it to the center, take this corner, bring it to the center as well. And now fold this tip over this line. Now open up this first flap, fold it forward, and now push down these right here. And do the same for this side. And then fold down. And then just flatten. Open up. And now what we're going to do is take this corner right here and fold up so that it matches this edge. Making a sharp point and then creasing. Do the same thing, lift up this flap, fold this edge so it matches with this edge. Like this. Now take this corner, bring it down so this edge lines up with this edge. And crease. Same thing, bringing this corner down so this edge lines up with this edge. Crease and open up. Pull this down as well. And now what we're going to do is lift up this flap and simply push forward and then down. So simply lift up this, then push forward and down, then crease. And now what we're going to do is fold back along the center. Like this. Now we'll take this corner and we'll fold it down. Increase so it lines up with this edge. Now open up and pull this flap down. Then crease and then fold over. Fold over this flap so it matches this line. And now flip over. Do the same thing, folding this corner so it matches this line. Then crease. Open up. And now open up this head portion and then fold over. Then push in. And you should have something like this. And now what we want to do is we'll take this first flap, fold over, and we'll bring this corner to the center. Then crease. Same thing, bringing this corner to the center. Open it up, open this up, and then push forward. And now, this might be a little tricky, but we're just gonna hold it like this, push down, and you should notice that it forms a mini flap, and then we're just gonna pinch and crease. So we just push in or push down and then crease over. Now we'll just fold down, directly vertical down, right here at that point. Open up, and then simply push down and tuck it in. The trunk is almost done. For the final part of the trunk, we're just going to take this, fold it back a little, and then pinch forward, crease. So it has something like that. And we're just going to pull this down, shift it down a little. Should have something like this. Now what we're going to do is flip it over and take this corner, fold it up so it matches this point, and it's parallel to this line. Then crease. So it's parallel to this line. Now we're going to fold down we're forming the legs now at an angle as well. So it creates a small triangle. And then we'll fold up along this line. Just leaving a little bit going out on top. Increase. Now, so what we've done is we fold it up, down, and then up again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, and then we're going to fold down on this part. So fold down, and now along this line we're just going to tuck it in. So we have something like this. And then we're going to open this up and fold over, and then fold back, then crease, and now for the small little tail, we're just going to push this down a little bit and then pinch and crease. You can always adjust the tail, make it longer or shorter if you like. And now we're going to open up this flap right here, open it up, bring it over so it's parallel to this line, it's touching it, and then we're just going to push down. Right here. Same thing on the other side. Flip it over, open up this flap, and we're going to bring it over to this line. And then just push down and crease. So now that's done. Now flip it over, and we're just gonna take this corner right here and fold to the center a little bit. Just a little, it doesn't have to be too much. Open up, and we're gonna tuck it in. So just push it inside along the line we just made. Then tuck it in. And now we're going to open this up a little bit, and right here along this line we're going to squeeze and pinch a little. And we're also going to pinch along this line. So we're pinching and squeezing, so it forms a little indent inside. And do the same thing on the other side. We're going to pinch along this line as well as that line. So it should look something like that. Now just slowly bring it and then to the top, and then just pinch more a little. So just bring this to the top. You don't have to make a crease, you can just do a little pinch. And now for our final step, this is optional, you don't have to do it, but if you want, you can just push this top dent, make a dent right here a little into the back, your thumb or whatever finger you like. And now you're done. I hope you made it through this video. I know it might have been a slightly challenging one, but keep trying and eventually you'll solve it. Have a great day.